Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Locksport. Today is Lockout Tagout Tuesday. Little series I started so we can feature our lockout locks, lockout tagout locks, the locks that keep the workers safe. These are special locks, they can be broken really easily, but they've usually got pretty good cores. So this is the best core that Master Lock offers. You'd think they put it in their top of the range stuff, but no. So I'm going to go with my Daz Evers and my Jason Carlson. Going to do top of the keyway tension, start at the back, see if anything wants to bind. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. Super light tension. This is the 410 series of Master Lock with a 401 key. I often transpose those numbers, so if I say them wrong, you'll know what I mean. All different kinds of Master Locks, not Master Locks, all different kinds of Loto locks have different functions in the workplace. So this is a series where you can pick them, you can show them off, you can explode them, you can talk about them. Put a video up on a Tuesday. Hashtag it Lotto Tuesday so that we can find it when we're looking for them. Now next week I'll be announcing a Lotto lock giveaway of these Master 10s. For those that don't have any Lotto locks and like to join in on Tuesdays. Also for those that do have Lotto locks but like to add some more to their collection. Those who just want to pick something different. So I'll be featuring them next Tuesday and showing them off, which ones will be up for grabs. So there'll be three locks. There'll be, yeah, I reckon I can do that. Another one will be go, oh yeah, I'll give it a go. And the next one will be, oh, I think I've got Buckley to getting that, but I'll give it a whirl anyway. So each one will have a different level of difficulty. Don't have a key for this one at the moment. The fun about these Master Locks, or not the Master Locks, the Lotto locks, is they usually got security pins, so they give you lots of feedback, lots of fun to pick, and make you really watch your tension. I'm usually pretty heavy-handed on my tension, but these Lotto locks, they require you to have a sweet touch so that you can feel everything happening. I've got a dead core, no spring on it, and no spring on the shackle. Use my tension wrench. Get it snug in there. Light tension so those spools can get up in there and set. We know these have got 5 spools, possibly a serrated pin, and a one standard as their top drivers. Whoa. Dead core, chances are, didn't lose my pins. Just pop the tension wrench back in and keep going. Now if you think you're just going to be able to get into these Loto locks real quick, you know, under 5 minutes, I think you're dreaming. They want you to pay a little bit more attention to them than that. Oh, I suppose you could get into them under 5 minutes if you knew what the binding order was and you were really familiar with that lock you were picking. Yeah, sure, you could get into it in under 5. But if you don't know the binding order and you're not familiar with the lock, be prepared to sit on the couch and be playing with it for a while. Right, I'm going to have to call it there. The cat's calling for her dinner. So that's the master lock, 410, 401 key, Loto lock, Lockout Tagout. Thanks for joining us on Lockout Tagout Tuesday. Happy picking, stay legal, temptation is everywhere.